Good morning, everybody. It's Michelle, Mitten Prepper. Just got done dropping my daughter off at camp this morning to share with you all the experience that we had when we were leaving the house this morning. Many channels that I follow, especially Gray Man Prepping and Alaska Prepper, both. If you don't follow them, I suggest you head over to their pages and subscribe and listen to some of their content that they share. Usual day, it's gorgeous weather. About 5 seconds after pulling out of our place, driving down the road, I heard a loud surge. I mean, my windows were rolled up. It was loud. It lasted for about 3-4 seconds. The transmission tower exploded. I couldn't react fast enough. It exploded on the side of my vehicle where my daughter is. You know, instinct of a parent, you have that reaction where you have your arm out and you are trying to, protect that person next to you in whatever way you can. I'm glad there was nobody right on my buns, which sometimes people tend to do that. Pull over and gather myself, notify departments of what had happened so that they can send out crews. I was not there long enough to see if flames were starting to come out. I was trying to remove myself from the location. Any of you all lately have that gut feeling in you that you just need to do more to prepare for your family? I have not been able to kick that feeling for, I want to say, the last 3 to 4 days. I have been going through everything that is in the home. I've just had this gut feeling again for the last couple of days. I don't know, it's just one of those things. I get those feelings, or if it's God telling me in his way, because I pray a lot. I can't get enough things gathered that have made me comfortable yet. And today was a day that was a big reminder. Prep up, everyone, as much as you can. I just care so much about people that I want you to be safe. Take care. And I ask God to bless every one of you. Gosh darn. I'm not going to get emotional, but I'm going to. I love you all. And I just wanted to share that the Mitten State up here, we have a lot of stuff going down. Sketchy. Sorry to say. I trust myself and the people closest to me to be there. That's all. I don't trust anybody else. And that is sad. But I love you all. God bless you. I'm praying. If you have the ability to have a small garden or even do some growing in pots or whatever, but you can't find seeds, email me. If you're in the U.S., email me. I will send you seeds to help. Send me your mailing address, P.O. Box, I don't care what it is. God bless this country, please. I will see you again soon. Take care. I love you.